Hello traders, welcome to our channel The Forex Trends and I hope you all are doing well. In this channel, you will learn how to trade profitably for longer run in the Forex market. And today in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and I will explain you how to find potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. So before I start today's analysis, let's review previous analysis of gold once. If you have not seen our previous video, you can go to our channel playlist and you can see the previous analysis video. On my previous video, I told you guys for selling from this point when market was there, and I told you the expected movement for gold is like this. Okay, and I had initiated a sell from here and book some profit after few lot remaining few lots has hit break even. At this point, I initiate again here a sell position and then I book a good profit from here. Okay, so this time market again reached this level, but I did not initiate any sell here because of this momentum candle. Look this candle, let me show you. Because of this candle, this is a momentum candle and I am waiting for breakout of this resistance. If market able to break this resistance, then I will try to find again a buy from here. I will explain you right after this. Okay, so all right, now let's take a look at the fundamental before jump into the chart of gold. Okay, let me show you the economic calendar first. As you know, today we had two big news, that is core retail sales month over month and retail sales month over month. The both data has came less than the forecast. Okay, so this means us economy is gradually moving towards contraction. Because of this, the US dollar has weakened a little today because of this data, negative data. Okay, so that's all in today. If we check the tomorrow's economic calendar, as you can see, there is a bank holiday in US tomorrow. That means there will be very less movement in the market tomorrow. Okay, so in low movement, we can trade on a smaller time frame with small SL for small profit. Okay, guys. So, all right, let's see what possible trade setups for tomorrow. Let me delete all the drawings first. Okay, so let's start with the 1 hour frame. In 1 hour frame, if I mark the last structure, it is a lower low, then correction, then another impulse, create a lower low, then correction, create a lower high, and then create another lower low. Okay, so as per this structure, we have last resistance of this 1 hour frame is there. It is the last resistance, and the last resistance price is 2325.5. 23.50. Okay, last resistance price is 2325.50. Mind this price. So still now market is not able to break this high. Okay, because it is not able to create two candle close above this price. Whenever market close two candle above this price, that is 2325.50, we will shift our biasness from bearish to bullish again. That means if market able to close two candle above this price, in that case this will be our change of character. Okay, look, still now market is not able to close two candle above this price. So then this will be our change of character if market able to close two candle above this price. If market failed to close above this price and come again down, we may initiate again a sell from this position. Okay, we may again a sell from this position up to this level. So this is our first trade setup for today and tomorrow. If market close above this price, that is 2325.50, then we'll shift in 15 minutes and look, this is a demand zone. This is a good demand zone. In that case, we will shift our time frame to smaller time frame, that is 15 minutes, and we can initiate a buy from here. And this is the price of 2322 to 2323. If we get the price at this level after change of character, we may initiate a buy from here. This is our second trade setup for tomorrow. Okay, let me shift again in 1 hour frame, and there is a resistance, previous resistance. Let me define this point again. Okay, this is the next resistance. The price is 2336 to 2334. If we get the price at 2336, 2336 to 34, we may initiate a sell from here for small profit or with small SL. And our SL will be 20 to 30 pips and profit will be 50 to 80 pips. Okay. As tomorrow we have the bank holiday in US, that's why we'll initiate trades for small profit with small SL. Okay, this is our third trade setup for tomorrow. If market able to come on this price, that is 2300 to 2303, we may initiate a buy from here. Okay, this is also a good buying zone for gold. This zone is a good zone for buying. Okay, that is our fourth trade setup for tomorrow. Okay, so these trade setups for today and tomorrow. Mark this zones as an in your chart and set an alarm, as I already set an alarm at this position for buy. Let me set an alarm at this position for sale. Okay, and I will watch carefully in this zone what market did in this zone. If market able to break this resistance, I will see for buy. If market unable to break this resistance and unable to create change of character here, that means we'll go for sell. Okay. So I hope you understand what I want to say. So that's all for today. All right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. So if you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And thanks for watching, guys. And stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing in the next video tomorrow. Until then, trade safely, trade smartly. Bye bye, dear friends.